Okay, so even though we don't have a kitchen here, we did last night in our old accommodation. So I've packed some sweet potato and veggies in here for the flight, as well as some other veggies which I just kept in the minibar fridge overnight. And then I've also got a can of salmon with olive oil to put over the top of that for dinner on the plane, and of course some nuts and coconut chips for my emergency snack just in case we get delayed. Okay, so I'm just making some of my chia porridge like I did on the way here. I've got a leftover coconut butter jar, which is perfect because a little bit of coconut butter is going to taste good in it. So you just want to pour a bit of chia seeds and flax seeds in there. I don't have desiccated coconut, doesn't matter, the world's not going to end. So a bit of chia and a bit of flax seeds. Oops. I do have some coconut chips. Coconut chips. I'll put coconut chips in instead of desiccated coconut. Oh god, these are crunchy suckers. Holy shit, check them out. So because America has such strict regulations on the 100 milliliters, this time around I'm taking coconut butter to put in my chia porridge, and then when the air hostesses come around in the morning on the plane, ask for some hot water like we did last time, put the hot water in the jar and the coconut butter is going to melt and it's going to make its own coconut cream / milk. So that's how you want to get around that so they don't take the liquids off you. And then I've also got some almond butter which I got from the store, and all it has is roasted almonds and sea salt, no other crap in it, so I'm going to put that on top, and that's my breakfast. These corn chips are the best, guys. Grain-free, no bad oils, and I'm going to get some guac to dip it in for the plane. And I'm getting some fresh guacamole for the plane. The Whole Foods guacamole has nothing bad in it, so it's perfect as a dip, and we're going to get some veggie sticks. Follow me as I swim through the... nothing bad in them, and they're going to keep your bowels moving on the plane, and really good snack to have with some guac. As I'm super stuffed, they took my guac in security, so don't buy guacamole because the gyms are really right now, so you need to buy and make it yourself at the airport. Do not take it through security because now they're going to take it off you. Even though it's not a liquid, if it's spreadable, they take it off you. So do not get guac from Whole Foods to take on the plane.